Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Just want to show y'all this fucking gem right here. Fucking brand new USB Link 3. Just got it all downloaded into the laptop, and I actually just connected to my first truck with it. So far it's just like the USB Link 1 and USB Link 2. So there's probably nothing special about it, but damn it, I got it. And I just connected to this truck. Actually, it's right here in front of me. Customer asked me not to record inside the shop, so I'm not going to do that. But they had ABS and transmission light on the dash, enabling it to shift into gear. It turned out the brake applied pressure switch was not calibrated right, so I calibrated the brake applied pressure switch, which basically you get it up to operating air pressure, and then you hold down the brake pedal for 10 seconds and it'll calibrate, auto calibrate. So I got it calibrated, transmission light went off, ABS fault went away, traction control fault went away. We are good. They also had a code for the air compressor, air dryer, air compressor, air pressure sensor. But whenever I checked, it had one count and it was historic and it wasn't active, so I went ahead and cleared it out. It basically went off the listing on ACOM, which is the Bendix software. So this truck is done. I'm about to head over to Waxahachie and program some VECUs and something else. I don't remember what else has to be programmed on these. These ones coming up, I don't know if they got a pressure switch on their gate or not. I don't think they do. But y'all stay tuned. I'll bring y'all back whenever I get to Waxahachie. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm out here at these trucks that are needing programmed. I guess you can kind of see them all out here, all these blue ones. So first thing you got to do to get these programmed is you have to go on the website, to the PACCAR website, and on the PACCAR website you're going to go to PACCAR Vehicle Pro. You're going to enter the last 8 of the VIN number. You'll make the changes that you need to make, and then you come over here to Davey after you've already connected to the unit, and it's going to click on your software tab. It's going to bring up all your different modules that are in these trucks. Maybe. And now. There we go. Alright, so these are all your different modules. You got chassis module primary, secondary, your master switch module, your PCC, your predictive cruise control and map data, your vehicle control unit, your transmission control module, right hand stock, HVAC, which is going to be your heating, ventilation, and air conditioner, your digital display, and your PACCAR common rail injection engine. So there's going to be some, like this one here, which will populate to the top here in just a second. These two are due for an update because of what I did in PVP. So now we're going to click retrieve data, or retrieve software. It's going to download it to Davey. Once it's downloaded to Davey, then you upload it to the truck. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. And it gives you a status bar of, downloading 1 of 12 files for the VECU. And then I think there's 2 files for the digital display. Right now we're on 2 of 12 for the VECU. And I'll bring y'all back whenever these are done downloading, and we'll get them uploaded. It takes a few minutes, so y'all hang tight. Alright, once you get them downloaded to Davey, then you're going to upload them to the truck one at a time. which for some reason this one here doesn't show an expiration date, and the computer's saying that it needs to be flashed. But we'll see what she does. We're going to go ahead and update this one. It's going to tell me that the anti-theft device is, 000. And we got a big red fucking X. Son of a bitch. Something's going on here. Let's figure this shit out. As it turns out, y'all, I wasn't able to record shit. I've got 2 more trucks that I need to upload to PVP, download to Davey, and then I can go inside their shop here and update these 2 trucks. But it's the last 2 on the list, and then I got to get the hell out of here. So I'm kind of in a hurry, but I'm also kind of done for the day. I want to get out of here before traffic hits. I don't know if y'all ever been down here to Waxahachie. Whenever traffic hits, it's a pain in the ass to try to get anywhere. Sorry I couldn't record it all, but y'all have a great day, and I'll be back tomorrow.